I'm a long way from Houston, a long way from home. I never thought I'd be the kind to leave you there alone. The minutes turn to hours every time I go, and sometimes I wonder why I chose this road. I've seen the wide open prairies, I heard a blackbird's call, I felt your heart a-breaking like an old George Jones song. With each and every sunrise, I'm carried back home, and sometimes I wonder why I chose this road. It's singing songs in the kitchen, it's hearing Guy on the radio, seeing friends that I never see. Drinking alone. It's the way this guitar rings in an empty bar. Sometimes I wonder how I got this far. Still ain't no closer to Houston. The snow's falling down from the sky. I'm stuck on this interstate highway, can't get home no matter how hard I try. The bottles all turned to empty, the western sunset turns to night. At least I know I'm not the only song singer who's alone tonight. We're singing songs in the kitchen, we're hearing Guy on the radio, we're seeing friends that we never see. It's better than drinking alone. It's the way these guitars ring in an empty bar. Sometimes I wonder how I got this far. Sometimes I wonder how I got this far. Sometimes I wonder how I got this far.